Hey DIYs, I recommend you get one of these. You'll always use it, I'm sure, afterwards after you do your bathroom. But these lasers are, you know, these days online they're cheap as chips. It'll pay for itself. I'm at the start of another bathroom with, doing my walls. I did my floor yesterday. That I do after I've done my walls because I don't like reaching over. I've got my first mark here. That's what I'm going off, and then I just go around the whole bathroom, make a mark every sort of metre or so. Like that. And there you go, I've levelled right around my whole bathroom, first row, in how long has it taken? 2 minutes. It's a no-brainer. Before laser levels came out, and I've been through all that, you know, years ago. It was a biggie to have a laser level, so you didn't, and you used a level to go around your bathroom and a straight edge, and you've only got to be a couple of mil out and you don't meet and all that sort of thing, and oh, what a pain. But with a laser level now, it's taken 2 minutes to go around, and with me gas bagging, I could, you know, if I wasn't gas bagging, I would have done it in half the time. But the biggest key is when you do a bathroom, you do the wall that you, as you walk in your bathroom, that's the first wall you do first. That up there, your doorway, is the last wall you do, because if you've got any fiddly bits, this is the old days when you used to level it. You always did across your doorway last thing, because no one sees that. They walk in, it's at the back of their head, and they're walking out, well, they're not looking up above the door. So if you did have lines that are slightly out, that's where you put it, up there. And just in habit, I always do the door last anyway. So it's yeah, pretty simple and straightforward. I've got to take off those architraves like that because I'm putting a thicker profile architrave up, like in my ensuite. I'll make sure I've got to take off that cornice, but I'll do that if I've got time today. But I'm hoping to do all the walls today, but we'll see how we go. Pretty simple, Pimple. What does that mean? It says I'll see you soon. Press the subscribe button. Stay tuned. Tell your mates about this channel. We'll see you on the next one. Yo.